At the end of a curved drive sits a large stone house bathed in sunset light. Dark car is parked near the entrance, where colorful shrubs and flowers create a warm, cozy feel. Circular stone fountain serves as the focal point of this paved driveway. The large stone house with a gray roof is surrounded by well-maintained bushes and natural daylight. This rustic stone home features a steeply pitched roof and a cobblestone drive. Vibrant blooms and trimmed hedges line the entrance, highlighting the stunning local architecture. Stone archway marks the entrance of this grand home. Circular fountain sits on the lawn, surrounded by brick pavers and neatly trimmed hedges under a bright, cloudy sky. Light stone tiles and blue edges form a path to a central garden fountain. Warm lamp posts illuminate the colorful flower beds and bushes, creating a peaceful and serene scene. Bamboo trees frame this minimalist concrete house. Black sedan and white hatchback are parked in front of the large glass windows, all illuminated by the clear midday light. This contemporary design features white and dark wood finishes. Curved driveway leads to the garden entrance, where a dark car is parked among palm trees and green lawns. Red brick herringbone drive leads to this beige two-story home. Dark SUV is parked near the double garage, surrounded by lush greenery and a bright, sunny blue atmosphere. Grand stonework and a steeply pitched roof define this luxury estate. Colorful flowers and trimmed hedges line the cobblestone drive, set against a backdrop of lush green trees. This stone walkway curves through a peaceful landscape of palm trees and shrubs. Rectangular slabs create a clear path, with distinct shadows falling across the green grass. Black and white car sit on a patterned driveway before a minimalist concrete home. Tall trees add a natural element to the clean lines and neutral colors of the architecture. Gray slate roof crowns this luxurious stone mansion. Decorative fountain centers the curved driveway, which is bordered by manicured hedges and flower beds under a blue sky. Large stone pavers form the driveway of this modern glass home. Dark SUV and white hatchback are parked near the mix of white and brown walls under a bright and sunny sky. Circular fountain and pink flowers highlight this white mansion's drive. Silver Mercedes and SUV are parked near the balcony, framed by a serene and inviting atmosphere. Cobblestone path leads to a wooden door, flanked by lavender and hydrangeas. The traditional stone architecture and vibrant landscaping are highlighted by the natural light.